Hey, what's up guys? Kenshi here and son, welcome back to our channel. So it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon and there's no way we're gonna work on the car today. We're just gonna take Tia out for a nice Sunday drive. Just the three of us, right? No wife, mommy, anything, right? Okay, so let's head down to the garage and we'll be back. Okay, so... Whoa! Can you get the lights? Okay. And I'll hand this off to you since I'm gonna drive. Okay. Need help? You got it? Here. I'll grab it when you put on your seatbelt here. Safety first, and yes, he does have a booster seat too, since he's just for anybody wondering, and he does have a booster seat. So. Okay, so he's probably just gonna take a drive around our neighborhood. What's nice? There we go. Yes, I'm changing the belt. That's on my list. So yeah, so just around the neighborhood. Gotta wear shoes. It's really tight over here. I don't want to hit my wife's car, right? And damage and hurt mine. Don't care about hers. I know she does, but So, oh yeah, just I also want to do a follow-up of the Delrin door bushings, and also just about what we did off camera with the car so far. So let's see, just gotta be sure. So as far as the Delrin door bushings, make sure you check out that video if you haven't seen it yet. But it makes such a difference. It's about $33, and it made such a difference. Such a beautiful day here. And I ordered them from Miata, as I mentioned in the video, and they're by Cobalt. So, and what I did is, when we initially did this, is we went on the drive to the roads that we usually, that we're used to, and just to check it out. And they did a lot of work on these roads where they're doing up all the pipelines and stuff. They're changing it up. So as soon as you ride on that, you could really tell the difference. So you can tell the difference too, right, Elliot?
Yeah.
How does it feel?
It feels smooth.
Yeah, definitely less rattling, right? Less rattling and
stuff. It would always rattle, and it was like pretty annoying.
Yeah, especially when you have the windows down, It
would rattle so much.
Yeah. So now we're gonna pass Elliot's school. Hopefully we'll get the chance to ever go back. We're not sure, right?
Yeah.
Hope everyone is staying healthy and safe. Not sure if you can hear me with all the noise. I hope you can. But this is our neighborhood here. There used to be like a golf course on this side. It's hard to see, but I don't know. I think they're gonna change it up and make it into senior living and such. And, this is pretty much the route when we go running. We take this route if we don't go to Lorimer Park or Takuni, or Fort Washington or Valley Forge. We just run around this neighborhood. This is like, not sure if you can tell by the camera, I hate this hill when we're going the opposite direction. So I compare it to a roller coaster just trying to go up. Can you see it, right? I don't know if you can tell by the thing. It's just such a long hill, and once you're finishing up your 3-mile run, it's kind of tough, So I just look down and just try to make it up the hill. Raydot mirrors. Off camera, I did pick up the gasket maker thing. I couldn't find the clear one, so I did the gray ones, and which is not a big deal because it wiped right off. And before I did that, I used this McGuire's. It's like a scratch remover. I forgot I had it because when my wife's car, somebody rear-ended her, so we just picked that up to remove the scratches. So I managed to remove like the residue from the previous side mirrors. I got that off, and then I put the gasket maker. So it's gonna be it's actually gonna be watertight. But I am going to take it off again for an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. Where I'm gonna change. I'll give you a clue. We're gonna change some of the color of Tia. So that's just a hint. That's just a hint. We're changing it up for color. Maybe not all, maybe some, but you'll see on an upcoming video. So, and you gotta check out. I love going through this. This is the Tukuni Parkway here. This is when it gets shady and it's nice, like to run at. And I just love it. It's all tree lined. So we're lucky we live in a nice neighborhood where it's just like right next to us. And Philly is only 40 minutes away, driving wise, with traffic. You know, so we get the best of both worlds. We get to live in the suburbs and still enjoy the sights and sounds and the food of Philly here. So yeah, so I think we're gonna pull over up here. I want to take some shots of Tia. You can never have too many, right? So there's a pullover around here to the left, and it's next to this nice fountain. It's never really on the fountain, but it's just a nice area. I think it would be nice to take a shot there. We'll figure it out here. So the left is coming up over here. So. Hopefully we don't have anybody.
People are fishing.
This is a stock exhaust, but I did replace with a higher flow cat for now, and it's like a Roadstar, I think. A Roadstar, and it came with both gaskets and everything for it, so I changed that. And the reason I was just gonna go without a cat, but I guess the PA law, you have to get it initially inspected first, because I plan to not drive this more than 5,000 miles. So in PA, you're allowed to bypass the emissions if you drive less than 5,000 miles a year, but you have to get it inspected. That initial inspection, they have to do it. So I have to get a new catalytic converter and both O2 sensors to pass that. So I think the Roadstar was $250, and the O2 sensors maybe was $70 each, or maybe cheaper. Don't quote on me on that. It's been a while. I have the receipts at home, but I don't remember it. Sure if you guys, anyone play tennis, but they actually have tennis courts here. I don't think I've ever played since I was maybe in high school, and I'm not going to mention how long ago that was. So yeah, it's a nice neighborhood. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but I live in Cheltenham, Pennsylvania. So, what about the mirrors? No, you can say what?
Okay, so show us how your arm healed.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't even remember where it was, but it was from that video later. It was all scratched up, but it healed. It was fine. It just it was me, like I was trying to yank the side mirrors plug, the wiring, to remove it, and I yanked and it just banged against the door and it cut it a little bit, but it healed. And then I don't know how bad where you guys live, but we had bad storms, and this, if it overflowed. If you see now, right, how low it is, the water, but like I mean, like a week ago, it went over, and they had to close the road down and such. Yeah, it's nuts. And we actually had a little water came into our basement. Luckily, we have a sump pump, so yeah. So, and then we've been cranking the dehumidifier just in case, because I guess the first year we bought the house in 2008, and it did flood because we were working in the office, and it rained really hard, and we got about 2 inches of rain. So luckily, we're all homebound for this time around because of the pandemic. So we were able to manage it, and luckily it was just like two quick pumps from the sump pump, and that was it. We managed to catch it early. We had to move the treadmill a little bit, but nothing. We don't have a finished basement. It just has like drum sets, treadmills, her craft area and such. So I don't think we'll ever finish it unless we fix the leak first. So it's not even worth it. So hopefully you guys can hear this video. I hope it's not too loud. And that was a quick drive. We're probably gonna head home now, anyways, right?
Yep.
I think that was good enough. Bumpy road. But you notice, like, it's not even rattling before. If you hit a pothole, everything. And now with just a simple $33 part, it tightened up the inside. And there's more body reinforcing things I will buy for the car. It's just slowly but surely. The first up will probably be the roll bar. And then from there, I'm thinking of getting those fender braces and such, and maybe the ones for underneath too. But yeah, so stay tuned, keep watching, more videos to come, and so love you guys, take care.